Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking beef cheeks low and slow. Beef cheeks are a cheap cut of meat that packs a lot of flavour. When cooked low and slow, they're amazing. It's perfect for sandwiches, nachos, or my personal favourite, tacos. To start, we're going to need to make a simple rub. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, then 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Finally, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Cover with a lid and shake well. Now you need your beef cheeks. Make sure they've got a nice amount of marbling. Coat heavily with the rub. These are ready to hit the barbecue. Set up your barbecue using the snake method. I'm using Clean Eat charcoal. You can find a great video on the channel explaining the snake method. For a little extra flavour, I'm using some iron bark from SA Barbecue Woods. Have the barbecue sitting around 265 Fahrenheit or 130 Celsius before placing the beef cheeks opposite the charcoal. Cover with a lid and smoke for 4 hours. You'll know when these beef cheeks are ready when you can easily move a skewer through the meat. Remove from the barbecue and tent with foil. Make sure to let them rest for at least half an hour to an hour. Because we cook them low and slow, these beef cheeks break up beautifully. Look how tender and juicy they are. They break apart easily just using a fork. There you have it, beef cheeks. These beef cheeks are so tender and juicy from being cooked low and slow. They're perfect for nachos, sandwiches, salads, or tacos. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.